Greetings, my fellow knowledge seeker. So, have you heard about the latest discovery in geology? Apparently, global warming might have an effect on our planet's geology, which could lead to more earthquakes and volcanic eruptions. It might sound like something out of a disaster movie, but it's actually a real possibility. According to British geology professor Bill Maguire, the link between climate change and earthquakes occurs when higher temperatures cause large ice masses to melt, which in turn changes how weight is distributed on the Earth's crust. This can cause rigid crustal plates to sink down in some places and rise up in others, ultimately leading to more earthquakes. And if that wasn't enough, volcanic eruptions can also be triggered by a similar process where the movement of large weights causes the pressure in the crust to drop, leading to an increase in magma. This isn't just theoretical either, it's already happening. Maguire documented the process in northern Scandinavia, where melting ice led to a significant increase in earthquakes. But that's not all. Rising sea levels can also lead to more earthquakes by increasing water pressure on the seabed and pushing apart the two sides of a fault zone. And on land, sea level rise can put extra pressure on the edge of continents, creating new faults and triggering violent underwater landslides that can lead to tsunamis. So what does all of this mean for us? Well, we might want to hold on tight because the number of earthquakes could explode as the ice continues to melt. And with the risk of volcanic eruptions also increasing, we might want to keep an eye on those volcanoes too. But don't worry, we're not all doomed just yet. Although much points in that direction, the connection between man-made climate change and the frequency of earthquakes hasn't been proven. The geologist data series is still too short for that. And even though statistics have shown that large earthquakes peak in number about every 32 years, scientists are still unsure of the exact causes of this natural variation. So while we might not have all the answers yet, one thing is clear. Climate change is having an impact on our planet's geology. It's a fascinating and slightly scary thought. But at least we know that geologists are keeping a close eye on things. And who knows? Maybe someday we'll be able to predict earthquakes and volcanic eruptions with greater accuracy, thanks to our understanding of the complex processes at work. In the meantime, let's hope for calm and stable tectonic plates while you watch this next video. Thank you for watching, and thank you for staying curious.